The M1 Abrams is a third-generation main battle tank manufactured by the United States. It is named after General Creighton Abrams, Chief of Staff and Commander of the United States Army in Vietnam from 1968 to 1972. The M1 is a powerful, heavily armored, and highly mobile tank designed for armored combat. Its distinctive features include a gas turbine engine fueled by JP-8 jet fuel, advanced composite armor, and separate ammunition storage in a separate compartment for crew safety. Weighing nearly 62 tons, the M1 is one of the heaviest tanks still in service. The M1 Abrams was developed during the Cold War as a replacement for the canceled MBT-70. The M1 Abrams contract went to Chrysler Defense, and it was the first vehicle to adopt the Chobham fleet. Adaptations prior to the Persian Gulf War, Operations Desert Shield and Desert Storm, provided the vehicle with improved weapon and NBC, nuclear, biological, chemical, protection, biological, and chemical protection. It was far superior to Iraqi tanks. The M1 Abrams entered service in 1980, replacing the 105mm gun M60 Patton MBT. The M1 became the official main battle tank of the United States Army and United States Marine Corps, and the armies of Egypt, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Australia, and, in 2010, Iraq. 3 versions have been produced: the M1, M1A1, and M1A2, incorporating increasingly improved armament, protection, and electronics. These upgrades, like periodic upgrades to older tanks, ensure their continued service in the front line. The M1A3 is still under development.